Create an invitation website. No hosting required, no domain needed, and no installation necessary. And that's not all. Get stunning invitation and wedding templates, explainer videos, DIY print options, commercial background music, and a complete wedding marketing kit to start your own service. An all-in-one invitation website generator right at your fingertips. Now you can create invitations using just your phone. Are you making invitations for yourself or for clients? With WishBliss, you can start your own service and keep 100% of the profits. We've also prepared a comprehensive dashboard to manage your website, even from the client side. Explore a variety of exciting features, not just for weddings, but also for meetings, graduation, baby showers, and more. Creating a website is as simple as this. Step 1, choose a template. Step 2, fill in the form. Step 3, publish instantly. Want to create videos too? Just click, edit, and export. Everything you need all in one product. Create websites anytime, anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Get it now before the price goes up.